All right, next happy homeowner thing I got for you is front door sticking. You feel it right here, she's tight. You know, it's good, it's got a good weather strip around it, I think. Why? Why is it doing that? Well, first thing you want to do, any door, and it's just give it a lift up. Just a little play. Just a little, I mean, ever so slight. So that tells me these hinges are loose or stripped. And the door's walking this way. So, something you can fix easily. So yeah, we can see, you know, those typical 3 hinges. A lot of bolts. A lot of bolts in this guy. But you can see here where it was rubbing. No, that's just paint. It's just like overspray paint. But look at how loose these are. I mean, this is just 2 fingers. I went to all of them. They're all that way. I think these are a little tighter. No, they're not. So, I'm gonna get my drill. Let's see how long these are. Some of these are, I think the proper way is you have 2 short, and usually the center ones, yeah, go long because they go right into the stud or the framing behind there. That's typically what you want, I believe, especially on a front door. You don't want somebody being able to just kick in your front door, right? Until I bought a house on a main road. Anyway, let's just tighten these 4 for a proof of concept here. Say that that's why the door's sticking. And these are good screwdrivers to get these. Anything with get really good leverage. Inserts you stick in. That's what you need. You need to tighten stuff. You want good bits too that fit. Let's see what's going on here. Hear that? Still sticking. You see that? Yeah, it's pretty tight. Well, let's see what we can do better. Well, I did not get lucky on this one, and I'll show you why. Sometimes that's all it takes, just those bolts loosen up. But now, I can see the whole frame is moving. This is that upper hinge right here. You can see that whole frame is moving. Well, like I said earlier, we put in some longer screws in that hinge. They drive in there. That'll suck that in and stop that from happening. So, gonna have to make a little trip to the hardware store if I don't have any. All right, let's jam one of these suckers in there. These T25. Did not thread in anything. That tells me it's hollow back there. That's not good. It's still tight. How can that be hollow? That's 4 inches in. Crikey. I mean, come on, people, right? There should be solid wood behind a hinge. This is trim, so it's behind. I don't understand it. Get some longer? Should I go at an angle? All right, finally tried another hole. This one here, I was able to probe it with a stick, and yes, I was able to get this screw to go in there. About 3 inches in, and finally there was some wood. There should be wood on all these, so if you're gonna hacky installation like I do. So it's good now. I mean, I got a little sticking. Let's see, I need the camera anyway. Right here. But I think that's because I brought the whole door in tight. It cocked that up. So I'm going to try and stick one in the bottom now and bring the bottom in. So I think I'm good down there. Yeah. You can see the whole door move, or the whole frame move. Oh, look at that. Like a glove, they say. It's almost like I knew what I was doing. Yeah, it looks good. I can see down the bottom, that corner is a little tight. You can't see on this camera. But, hey, it's an old house. but that you can see the crack up here. So this is pronounced. Yeah, see, it's not even. Oh, it's not even shut. That's why. Hello. All right, cool. So I hope that helps. You got some hinges. Always check your hinges. They loosen up. People slam the doors. But yeah, longer bolts. You easily could kick your door in. Someone could break in. Think of the children.